Yo, what's going on everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how I can make them OSAMASON psychotic type beats. So without any further, let's get right into it. So y'all already heard the beat, let me break it down for y'all, my top price behind it. So first thing I did, I opened up this Gladiator. This version is like 2.5. I bumped to this first, like this is the first preset. This shit crazy. This is just one note and I made this pattern. I picked D sharp Phrygian. Why Phrygian? Because the key note of the scale is D sharp and it's also a tension note with E, the note that are right next to each other. These notes create this creepy feeling, and also there's like another set of tension notes. Makes it really dark. So I did this first note. But I didn't like how it's like so long, so I exported it and this is what I got. Pattern starts right here, as you can see. Then I made a little like pause. You feel me? And it just goes throughout the beat, and in this section right here I added a automation on the pitch. You know? Then I chose this preset right here, another like arpeggiator, Electro SF arpeggiator. As you can see, I spammed these tension notes and just like put this note to fill it up. And then I threw a couple of effects that really like set the bounce right. So this narcotic, this like preset, this is sprinkler. Left and right. It's even more like chaos, more bounce. Earworms preset on the second harp on this. And I automated them both. So this harp turns on here. Now I laid a lot of ear candies. Now it was like this. But I lengthened it like this. Then snare. Missed this one. Then this Cody gun. I like it to add my beats a lot of like ear candies. It like makes it more like live though. Another snare in a different like position. Then this is the like the main bounce of the drums, I feel like. OSAMASON use these like lower notes very often though, and I layered it with this stutter. It was a stutter at first, like this, but I did it like this. The same stutter here, but a little longer, so just. Okay, then I added up this bass. A really important thing, need your attention though. So I put through the limiter on the whole master with these settings, and I put sidechain like this. And the same thing I did on first melody to really like exaggerate the feeling. So if you like take this knee and place like here, I'm gonna distort the fuck out of everything. So just do this. Without it, not it. With it. Here's like a bass pattern. Really important thing I do is create this like square. You already know, and you can make stops whenever you want. This is just the basic like rhythm, the regular. And now you can sauce it up by changing notes, by making notes shorter, by doubling the notes like this. Create like, and because like this is a Phrygian scale, tension notes in the base of the scale, it really sounds dark and like. And also, by the way, put melodies in stereo a little bit. The hi-hat, just regular, and not the snare. And I added this like snare roll. How you can make the snare roll? You just take this 1/3 beat and you skip first one, chick chick chick. Then you speed it up, bum 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 bum. You spam in every section. One more time, slow down, and then I just added this like, and this is how the snare roll sounds like. So this is like the foundation though. Code is also like another ear candy. Hi-hat. Then I added this like jerk pattern and melee snare. Maybe you can tell, but these notes are muted. My team a little bit fucked up. Oh, this shit, I love it. This from RK, also from Aura 2. It adds a lot of like character to it. I added some reverb on it. Also added another 808, shorter one. BMW for me shit. It's like digit vibe too. Then I added these bells. And then I added this the organ, the cathedral. Oh, this like pose is crazy. Yo! Wood bell. So bro, once again, appreciate you watching. Let's listen to the whole thing.